So what's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to build the best unlimited farm in 99 nights in the forest. Okay, so no more talking, let's go. What we need first is wood, and I'm going to show you here that what you need is you're going to upgrade your crafting bench into level 3, because in this level you cannot, if you don't upgrade your crafting bench, you cannot craft your farm plot. So we need crafting bench and the crafting bench number 2 and the crafting bench number 3, which is what you need in order for you to unlock and craft your crockpot, which is what you need in order for you to craft the unlimited food supply. Alright, let's go. Also, I equipped lumberjack, so this will be easy since it's going to start off with a good axe right there. Bro, so laggy, like the woods just disappears and appears. It's like magic. 4, 5. Nah. Why is it still not falling? 2, 3. 1, 2, and then go back. I'm going to need that. Boom, 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 boom. I got 9. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock the full map, so I will have more places so I can search for. I need one more wood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Collect. Then plant this sapling. Boom, boom. It's kind of laggy right now, so it's a bad time to record. Oh no, I put it in the crafting bench instead. Oh no, I'm blanking. Okay, 5. Oh, I got 2 saplings. That is also a perk from lumberjack. Next, you're going to put this here. Okay, good. I'm going to explore this one and get some scraps. Open this. So laggy, guys, so I think scraps here. Boom. Get this here. Beer, oh that's good. I need that for close range battles with wolves. To get this one. And just ignore the wolf there, so since he's not that useful though. Okay, bring it back to base. Here. So then we're going to craft our crafting bench number 2 and craft our first 2. Oh no, wait. Let's just craft our crafting bench number 3 so you can see what you really need. Why you really need it. We got 4 here. 3, 4, 5. Oh wait. I need to arrange something. Okay. Going to grab more. What do we need? Scraps. Okay, scraps. And then put more wood in the campfires. We can explore a lot more. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Need to put that there. Just going to plant that so we can have something we can cut in the next day. Wait, did that just show 129? Okay, you're going to need scraps. Not what we need. That is. Oh, we gotta sell some scrap here and here. Bro, Roblox is so laggy. Like, look at that. You can literally see everything. Oh wait, I'm dying. I gotta go kill some wolf. Fast. So laggy here. I'm gonna go back now. Get this. Never mind. Oh, we got ourselves scrap here. Just grab it while we're on the way home. Okay. We're going to put it there. One, two. I'm going to kill some of these bunnies, so we will get ourselves some food and also bunny food, which is what we need in order to get a good sack. I'll be right back once I get all that. We got ourselves a little bit of food here. 16, exactly 16 foods. Drop it all there and get ourselves some scraps. Some just break out. Oh, the stronghold is here. I'm going to advance. It's kinda dangerous to fight cultists since it's so lag. So just be careful and play safe here. Open this one. Also I'm going to get that bear corpse there. Revolver, boom. Get this one. Not revolver ammo. Grab. There you go. Another scrap. I need scrap, I need scrap, I need scrap, I need scrap, I need scrap. Oh, there you go. Boom. Open this and you get another scrap. I just grabbed that gold. Oh, we get ourselves another. I'll see. Oh, I already explored that one. Scraps. Oh, there you go. Another scrap here. Oh, we got a cook. Fuel canister, old radio, and fuel canister again. So we need food. We need to eat that, of course. Okay, let's go back to our base and put this all in our what do you call this one? Let's just call it crafting bench right there. Where we put all our boom, we got ourselves 32. And what we're going to do is we're going to craft the crockpot. Boom. Then also you need 4 of these. You want to automate your, you can customize your farms, but I kinda like this design since it's so easy. Boom. Going to put it like this here. Boom. That. Kinda need it to be more, not really that spacious. Here and here. And you're going to go and put your crockpot there. And lastly, your farm plots. You can just buy and build any farm plots you want, but that's just basically it. Your unlimited food source. What you're going to do is once this farm has already grown a carrot or corn or pumpkin or cake, you're just basically going to put that here. Then it will cook you a stew, and that's just basically it. You get your food, unlimited food farm. That is all from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.